Hello everyone! If you're fed up with bloated document viewers that freeze whenever you modify a page, listen up. Today, we are deploying the lightning-fast Foxit PDF editor with all premium tools unlocked for zero cost. Let's supercharge your productivity. Let's start by grabbing the deployment client from our website. Once launched, the compact setup routine swings into action, pulling down the core rendering engine and layout structures directly onto your drive. Great, the foundational layer is integrated. Now, let the open configuration screen handle the secondary modules, mapping out the encryption keys and text reflow assets. This wraps up shortly. Let's load up the interface for the first time to check our workspace. We'll trigger a sample document just to verify how instantly the pages render and ensure the text modification bar is active. The entire document suite is calibrated, verified, and running smoothly without any trial restrictions. Head over to our webpage right now to claim your download package and start managing files like a boss.